Hello, my name is Peter Parfitt. Welcome to the new Brit Workshop. You may recall not so long ago that I made a video about Axminster's Cutpro range of saw blades. And at that time I was only able to get one that fitted my Capex saw. Well, recently they've added to their website other sizes as well. And they've sent me a sample of one which will fit inside my TS55 saw. And I'm going to show it to you now. Now the new range is designed to fit almost all circular saws, including DeWalt, Makita and of course Festool. Now the design concept, quality of material is exactly the same as the one that I've tested before. It's A1 tool steel and it's been ground flat. The laser slots have been resin filled, which helps with dampening and quietening of the blade. Luxembourg carbide has been used for the tips. Now these are triple brazed. These are all a 10-degree bevel and they alternate as you would expect with any blade of this type. Now this particular one is the general purpose blade. It has 24 teeth and the kerf width is 2.2 millimeters. They also do a fine tooth blade with 40 teeth and an extra fine with 52. And I don't have them here, but they also have blades that suit battery operated saws with a much thinner kerf of 1.5 millimeters, and that saves power. Now I'm going to fit this in my saw and I'm going to do a quick test cut on this piece of MDF. Now it's important that you note the direction of cut of your particular saw. The Festool saw has the blade spinning in this direction, and so you must make sure you orientate the blade correctly. And inserting it into a Festool tool is simplicity itself. And with the Festool saw, this is a right-handed thread, unlike the Capex, which is left-handed. So that's the blade installed, and I can now release that quick fix system. So the saw now is ready to use. So now the blade's in there, I can now safely connect the power supply to the saw and also the extraction hose. I've got here a piece of 18mm MDF. There's nothing special about it at all, and I've just got to remember to set the depth of cut of the saw, and here we go with the cut. That cut edge is excellent. And we'll look at this cut edge, and you can perhaps see just how clean it is. And that really is excellent, and nothing wrong with that at all. I'm now going to cut a piece of solid wood. Now this is a piece of 40mm thick softwood, and I'm going to cut across the grain. Again, a very fine cut. I'll pull this out and bring you in close again, and there you can see that cut. That incidentally is a knot that's running through there. You can see the knot is there. So that's excellent. Next we're going to try some 25mm thick veneered MDF. Now this MDF is veneered on both sides. This is the underside of the offcut. There was a little bit of a breakout on the top edge because I didn't set my splinter guard here on the saw. However, the Festool guide rail acts as a splinter guard for the piece that we want, and so that top edge is perfect. And again, the bottom edge is absolutely perfect, and that face is beautiful too. And next, I've got a piece of solid oak. It's only an offcut, and I'm going to cut this with the grain. And this is 20mm thick. The offcut pretty good to me. And the other piece, that is absolutely super. Nothing wrong with that at all. Well, that's the catch-up for these latest saw blades from Axminster in the Cutpro range, sold under the Excalibur name. I see nothing wrong with them whatsoever. Incidentally, this blade will be returned. I don't keep any of these things that are sent for test these days, otherwise I'd have to get a bigger workshop. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.